In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a panorama in Darktable. To get started, make sure you open your panorama image in the darkroom view. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to make fine adjustments and enhancements to your photo. Once you've got your image open, the first tool you'll want to use is the Crop and Rotate module. This is essential for straightening your photo or adjusting the composition to your liking. When working with panoramas, it's crucial to ensure that the horizon is straight and that the composition feels balanced, as this sets the foundation for the rest of your editing. Next, we move on to adjusting the exposure and white balance. These controls are key to setting the proper lighting and colors in your image. Sometimes panoramas can end up with uneven lighting across the photo due to the way they're stitched together. So take your time with these adjustments to ensure a cohesive look. Proper lighting can really bring out the details and make your image pop, while a good white balance ensures that your colors are true to life. After setting exposure and white balance, you'll want to tackle any distortion or vignetting issues that may arise from using wide-angle lenses. The lens correction module is your best friend here. This tool can automatically detect and correct these kinds of lens-induced problems, giving your panorama a more professional appearance. Correcting these distortions is crucial as it can greatly affect how the viewer perceives the panorama, especially in architectural or landscape shots. Now that you've got a well-balanced and accurately aligned image, it's time to enhance the details. You can achieve this using the local contrast or sharpening modules. Adding a bit of local contrast can enhance textures in your image, giving it depth and dimension. Sharpening, on the other hand, is about clarifying the details, making the edges of objects crisper. But remember, with both of these tools, subtlety is key. Overdoing it can lead to an unnatural look. And that's how you edit panorama photos in Darktable for a polished, professional look. By following these steps, straightening with crop and rotate, adjusting exposure and white balance, correcting lens distortion, and enhancing details, you can transform your panoramas into stunning visual narratives. Start with a clear vision of what you want your image to convey, and use these tools to help bring that vision to life. Happy editing!